certain numerical questions based on which one? Depreciation, let us do. Cost rupees 5 lakhs. Scrap value rupees 30,000. Life 4 years. Question number 1. Calculate depreciation and rate of depreciation using which method? Straight line method. Calculate depreciation and rate of depreciation using which method? Straight line method. What is depreciation? 5 lakhs minus 30,000 divided by how many years? 4 years. What is the depreciation? Five lakh minus 30,000 divided by 4 years. Scrap value. 1 lakh. 17. What is the rate of depreciation? Divided by cost of the asset. 5 lakhs into 100. How much? 23.5%. This is using which method? SLM. Okay, same question. Under SLM, what is the book value of the asset at the end of which year? Third year. How to work out? What is the cost of the asset? 5 lakhs. Depreciation, we know it's going to be uniform. Depreciation will be 1,17,500 into 3 years. 1,17,500 into 3 years. So balance will be the asset value. End of third year, the asset value will be how much? 1,47,500. Shall I? If depreciation is 20% WDV, calculate value of asset at the end of third year. How will you do this? There's a calculator shortcut. There is a calculator shortcut. First, work out depreciation for the first year. What is the depreciation for the first year? 5 lakh. Scrap value doesn't matter. When they give you rate of depreciation, what doesn't matter? Scrap value doesn't matter. 20%. This will give us depreciation for the first year. How much? 1 lakh. Depreciation for the first year. Thereafter, this is for first year. They ask you depreciation for the third year. Oh, value of the asset. Sorry. Calculate value of asset at the end of the third year. Correct, you are correct. It will be when depreciation is, listen, when depreciation is 20%, 20% is nothing but 0.2. Value of the asset will be 0.8. So they ask you 3 years. So in calculator, what you do is 0.8 into 5 lakhs press equal to symbol how many times? 3 times you will get the value of the asset.
80% is 3 times of 5 lakh.
Oh, that also you can. 0.8 into 5 lakh into 3 times. Press equal to symbol 3 times. How much you get? 2,56,000 is the value of the asset at the end of third year. Suppose if they ask you value of asset at the end of 7th year, 7 times you multiply. Point 0.8 into 5 lakhs, press equal to symbol for how many times? 7 times. How much you get? If it is not working in the calculator, do by normal method or change the calculator. Okay. 0.8 into 5 lakhs, press equal to symbol 7 times. How much you get?
1,04,857.6.
Okay. Shall we? Shall we? Okay. I'm continuing with the same question. If depreciation is 15%, if depreciation is 15%, life is 10 years, calculate depreciation for third year. Now what will you do? Work out first year depreciation. 5 lakhs into 15%. How much? 75,000. Thereafter, if depreciation is 15%, balance will be 85%. 0.85 into 75,000 press equal to symbol how many times? 2 times, not 3 times. Why 2 times? Already we worked out first year depreciation. 0.85 into 75,000 2 times. How much you will get? 54,187. This is depreciation for the third year. Suppose they ask you depreciation for 8th year. So what will you do? Already we worked out for 1 year. 0.85 into 75,000. How many times you will multiply? 7 times. Equal to symbol. 0.85 into 75,000. 7 times will give us depreciation for the 8th year. How much?
24,043.
24,043. Shall we? Same question I am continuing. using sum of digits. Life 4 years. Calculate depreciation for third year and value at the end of third year. Calculate depreciation for third year and value of the asset at the end of third year. Sum of digits will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 10. 10. Cost minus scrap value into balance life divided by sum of digits. Look at the original problem. 5 lakh minus 30,000 into balance life. Into what is the balance life? They ask you depreciation for the third year. They ask you depreciation for the third year. Total life is 4 years. We are in which year? Third year. Third year and fourth year. How many years life? 2 years life. So into 2 years divided by sum of digits. 10. How 2 years? Hmm. 94,000. Huh? Okay. How to work out the value of the asset at the end of the third year? Cost minus depreciation. Is there a shortcut to do that? Is there a shortcut to do that? What is the total sum of digits? 10. Till third year, wait, till third year, how many digits are covered? 4 plus 3 plus 2. How many digits are covered? 9 digits are covered. 9 digits are covered, which means depreciation so far is 5 lakh minus 30,000. 5 lakh minus 30,000 into already how many digits are over? 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 is over. So this will be the depreciation for the 3 years. I repeat, what is the total sum of digits? 10. Till third year, how many digits are over? 4 plus 3 plus 2. How many digits are over? 9 is over. Balance only 1 is left. First year 4 by 10. Second year 3 by 10. Third year 2 by 10. How do you charge depreciation? First year 4 by 10. Second year 3 by 10. Third year 2 by 10. Last year the 1 by 10. No, because there is a scrap value. You cannot do directly 1 by 10. Okay, so depreciation so far is, do you understand? See, we worked out this. Look at this. 5 by 15, 4 by 15, 3 by 15, 2 by 15 like that. Suppose if they ask you asset value at the end of the fourth year, so far how much we charge? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Same principle you apply here. They ask you value at the end of the third year. Value at the end of the third year. So far, how much depreciation is charged? 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. 9 by 10 is charged. What is the depreciation so far? So value of the asset will be, value of the asset will be value of the asset is equal to 5 lakhs minus 4 lakh 23,000. How much you get? 77,000 is the value of the asset. Or there is another method. What is left? 1 by 10. Put 1 by 10. Okay, 50,000 minus 30,000 into 1 by 10. 50,000 minus 30,000 into 1 by 10. How much you get? 50,000 minus 30,000 into 1 by 10, how much again? 47,000 plus scrap value.
That 97,000.
You will get it. That way also you can do. Here 50,000 minus 30 into 1 by 10 will give us the remaining depreciation to be done plus scrap value that is not depreciated. That way also you can do. Done.
So you said 5 lakhs minus 30 into 1 by 10.
Hmm.
We already take scrap and again we added.
No, we reduced the scrap value. 5 lakh minus 30,000. We eliminated scrap value. So we depreciated only 4,70,000 into 1 by 10 left. Scrap value will be there at the end of the year. Scrap value is not depreciated.